Hey, what's up guys? So today let's talk about a quick tip using your laser and your optic for something a little bit different than you're used to probably. So in this video, we're going to go over like a couple different things. One, we'll talk about laser zeros and specifically a converging zero, just so that everybody's on the same page. And then we'll kind of go through a quick tip that I realized over the years of doing this that I found very useful, and also really one of those really cool things that I think would help a lot of different people. So to first start off, I change rifle optics, right, and lasers often, like all the time, to the point of today. I was changing an optic and a laser off of a rifle. I change them often because, one, I'm constantly using different optics for different things, and I like to set my rifle up for success in whatever environment or situation that I'm using it for. So if it's a teaching gun, or if I'm using it for a specific class, or I'm using it for a specific kind of match, like for example, tomorrow I have a night vision PCSL 2-gun match that I'm going to do. So setting up my rifle specific for that is pretty important. I need to have all the thingies that I need to use for that, like lasers, and my optic being where I want it or at the height I want it. So from there, or because I change those things often, let's talk about zeroing lasers. So your laser zero, depending on which one you use, there's really two main ones that people use, which is a parallel zero or a converging zero. Now, if you want to know more about both of those and like an in-depth dive, you're welcome to look at the video that I have on my blog. If you didn't know, this is my second YouTube channel. The first one got taken down and terminated by YouTube, so they deleted everything I had, and everything's only available on my blog. So just be aware, all the old videos, you still search them, they're just on my blog now.